Welcome to our English learning program at NU Laguna. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to master the English language? Whenever you are a beginner or looking to advance your skills, our program offers comprehensive and engaging lessons tailored to your needs. Join us as we explore the wonders of English together.
At National University Laguna campus, we also offer a campus tour while you study English. Come and explore our lively campus and experience different cultures. Our English tutoring program is designed to help you learn English well with teachers who give you personal attention and support. After the English lessons, you can play soccer on our field or hang out at our Sampaloc Lane where you can eat at our cafeteria and practice English while you enjoy your food. Interested in joining us? Apply now and see what makes National University Laguna campus special.
Here at NU Laguna, where excellence meets affordability. In a world where the cost of education continues to rise, NU Laguna stands as an oasis of opportunity and as a beacon of accessibility, offering high-quality education at a price that's within the reach of everyone. At NU Laguna, we believe that every student deserves access to quality English education regardless of financial circumstances. That is why we made it accessible to all. With our low tuition fees and generous scholarships, we ensure that financial constraints never stand in the way of your dreams. Experience the power of affordable education and unlock your full potential, and together, let's break barriers and shape a brighter future through the power of English education here at NU Laguna.
Among the branches of National University, we have the best sports facilities that we can offer to the world. If you like playing tennis, we have tennis court at the 4th floor, play soccer at the soccer field, and participate to PE class for more exciting facilities adventures. If you study here, you can access those facilities for free, wherein you can play and have a relaxed English conversations with your classmates and friends. By these activities, your skills of English language can lead you to become a better communicator and achieve another step closer to your biggest aspiration.